Digitalization is advancing, and every bit of energy is invested intelligently. Stronger than the mechanical forces of previous generations. This is the future of long-folding machines. This is EVOBEND. Linear bending force reduces the energy costs by 80% at lower connected load. The entirely newly conceived and smaller design not only saves space, but provides for flawless bending, with 300 degrees bending freedom, bend by bend. An intelligent software simulates the workload, even pre-computed for the calculation, and operated with the latest technology via decentralized motors, which automatically adjust to the next bend. This provides the extra spark in speed, value, and output. This is EVOBEND.